Hi, I'm Travis from Open Door Education, and today we'll be working through item 39 on test form 25 MC5. As always, let's start by reading the question. Given that I is the imaginary unit, which of the following numbers is equal to 7 plus 4i squared? At first, this looks like this question is just about squaring a binomial, and that's part of it. But we also need to pay attention to this part. I, the imaginary unit. Well, the essential concept for this question is that the imaginary unit I is equal to the square root of -1. With that information in hand, let's try solving this. So as always, if we're going to solve foiling a binomial, we should write out the full multiplication that we'll need to do here. 7 plus 4i times 7 plus 4i. Then we're going to FOIL. So first we'll do 7 times 7, and we'll get 49. Then we'll do our outside numbers, 7 times 4i, and that's going to give us 28i. Next, we'll do our inside numbers, 4i times 7. Again, that gives us 28i. And then we multiply our last two terms together, 4i times 4i, which is going to give us 16i squared. Now, when we look at how we can simplify this, 49 is an integer term. For the time being, that's going to stand by itself. We have a 28i and another 28i. We can combine those terms. Together, that becomes 56i. And then lastly, we have this 16i squared. And here's our key connection. If I is equal to the square root of -1, then I squared simply equals -1. So 16i squared is really 16 times -1, or that becomes minus 16. Then we can again combine our like terms, 49 and minus 16, and this is then going to read 33 plus 56i. And we see that D matches our answer, and that is the correct choice.